This is going to be my last video for a little while.
Outdoor Carlos here from Mr. Bushcraft Africa. In this video today, I just want to thank Luke from Outdoor Boys. He has been a great inspiration to many of us. So far, he has done great videos, 110 videos, over 2.6 billion views on YouTube. That is amazing. That is a mile, that an inspiration from him at that age. He has made us also to think about that, especially in Africa, how to survive in Africa. Luke, thank you so much. Thank you for your greatness. Thank you for your sacrifices that you have done so far. You have chosen family over fame. And you are saying you are going to inspire your kid, you are going to manage your kid to be able to continue. Outdoor Tom is going to be a great person, a great man in this society, and we get inspiration from you. As you exist in this field of outdoor camping, outdoor adventures, I know you're going to still continue doing the video. You're going to continue doing the adventure because this thing is inside us. You cannot just walk out of it. I think you'll be not recording videos, but you'll be still enjoying the moment of doing the activity, going for those adventures. Adventure is in our blood, and we are not going anywhere. Look, Outdoor Boys, thank you so much. Thank you for the great inspiration. We are going to miss you in every Saturday, but other people, will still continue the journey. Thank you for the footprint that you have put out there for us. So even as we are going to continue doing the same thing, we are going to go to build this content. We are going to continue doing this adventure with you on videos. Other people, I know you have watched Luke. This time now you watch other people. Luke is an inspiration. Outdoor Boys, they are inspiration. They have done great purpose. They have created great people like us, and us, we are going to continue doing what they have taught us. The inspiration is going to continue, very, very powerful. Yeah? These guys are amazing. They have also inspired the Outback Boys, yeah, in Australia. They have been there. Look, you're an amazing guy. Thank you so much. Thank you for inspiration. We are going to continue the adventure for you. You concentrate on the family and us. We are going to ask how we are going to reach to you so that you give us motivation and also give us the right path to continue doing the adventure of survival and camping in different places, like in adventure, in a world. You do it in Alaska, me I do it in Africa. Look, thank you so much. As you say goodbye, goodbye, but we are still watching you, and we are still continue watching you. See you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on Outdoor Carlos and Mr. Bushcraft Africa channel.